Investing in real estate can be incredibly risky and you can lose a lot of money. The problem is that economic downturns can negatively impact your real estate investment, like in 2008. Unfortunately, if you don't invest in real estate, you are stuck either doing nothing or investing in a highly volatile stock market, which might be even more risky. It's frustrating and can fill you full of anguish to be only chained to your 9 to 5 job without recourse for financial growth. If only there was a better way to minimize the risk in real estate investing. It's simple. By investing in real estate, you can make loads of extra cash in the short and long term while minimizing risk. But you need to do it without the risk. That's why we created SimplyDoIt. Hello, my name's Jared, and I work with SimplyDoIt. Dani Beitor is one of the most trusted real estate investing experts in the United States, and he practices what he preaches, being an investor himself. Dani's program is designed to help you go through the process of real estate investment by taking away as much risk as possible and helping you choose the right property. We've helped hundreds of people get started in real estate investing with our program, many with amazing results. But don't just listen to me, listen to our clients. Guy says, as a novice investor, Dani had helped me from the basic steps of underwriting the foundation for investing in real estate, overcoming fears, figuring out where to invest, through working with me and preparing me for my field visits in different areas. Obed F. says, we and many of our friends are working with Dani during the last few years and very happy with the results. We could go on and on with hundreds of reviews, but many have either gotten started with us or now have the possibility of financial independence if they so desired, without all the risk of going it alone. Here's what you get when you work with us in our program. First and most importantly, you get access to our network. Our network includes a list of vetted investment properties in hot real estate areas like Nashville, Dallas-Fort Worth, Phoenix, and more. Our network also includes our team of investment qualified realtors, property managers, and real estate professionals that actually know how to get good success. Second, you'll get access to various courses that will walk you through the process. Our buyer's crash course and post-buyer's course are quite powerful and will give you some juicy information. Third, you get lifetime support. Every 6 months, we give you a portfolio evaluation to help you decide what you should do in the market as it stands. Fourth and finally, you'll work with our team personally throughout the life of this program from start to finish. We will work with you to help you achieve your goals and avoid all the pitfalls of rental property ownership. We're going to help you with industry secrets that will help you mitigate any risk to yourself financially and make sure your transactions benefit you in the short and long term. You can act on our amazing program today and start walking down the path of financial freedom, or you can keep waiting and lose a golden opportunity. Our program can help you make thousands of dollars without investing huge amounts of time and risk. If not, you can continue to let your current situation beat you down and do nothing and forever be chained to your job or business. If you think you might be interested in learning to see if we might be a fit for you, just click on Learn More on this video and fill out our application. If you're a good candidate for our program, we can set up an initial phone call. Click on Learn More and then the button See if I'm a candidate to get started.